Are you excited about diving into the world of Python careers? Well, you should be. Python offers one of the most promising career paths with a stellar starting salary. I'm Sam Whitby, and through this engaging video series, I'll guide you through everything you need to know to kickstart your Python career. Why Python, you ask? Python is a remarkably versatile programming language, and versatility is key when exploring career opportunities. It's widely adopted across various domains, making it a powerful tool in the tech world. Whether you're a seasoned Python veteran or a complete beginner, this series is tailored just for you. Python's simplicity and readability are standout features, making it accessible to all skill levels. In this series, we'll explore why Python is the top programming language right now, leading the way into data science, AI, automation, web development, and more. Its seamless integration with other languages like C, C++, and Java positions Python as an excellent choice for building complex systems. We'll delve into libraries like NumPy and Pandas, showcasing how they can elevate your skills, but enough talk, let's dive right into the Python. To get started, we'll set up Python. My personal choice is Visual Studio Code. It's a high-speed, free code editor with fantastic support for coding and debugging. It's not just for Python, you can use it for various programming languages. With its user-friendly interface and customizability, it's a top-tier choice. Head to code.visualstudio.com/download to install it. Then just press on which software is for you, either Windows, Linux or Mac. Let's kick off by exploring the power of the print function. It's as simple as typing print, adding brackets, and then unleashing your creativity between those speech marks. Let's infuse some energy into the program by typing hello world. And remember, when you encase something in speech marks, it transforms into a string. Now let's fire up the program. Hit that function key and F5 for a smooth run. If that doesn't do the trick, head up to the Windows Summit, hit run and click start debugging. And there it is, unfolding before our eyes on the output, the triumphant hello world. Now let's dive into the fascinating world of variables. Picture this, we're about to create a variable named num and assign it the value 7. In the language programming, we call this an integer, a whole number. Pure and simple. What's happening here is the birth of a variable named num, cradling the integer 7. Variables, my friend, are the secret keepers of values in the programming realm. But hold on, the adventure doesn't just stop there. Let's conjure another enchanting variable, shall we? Enter deci. This time we are not dealing with whole numbers, we are venturing into the realm of decimals. Picture it as a float, a majestic decimal number dancing on the programming stage. We will say 4.9 for this example. Oh, and don't forget the versatility. We can turn variables into words. Say hello to colour, a variable now wrapped in the delightful hue of yellow. Now let's crown our exploration with the mighty Boolean, a champion of true or false scenarios. Meet decision, our trusty variable proudly waving the flag of true. And guess what? We can unveil these variables to the world with a flourish. Just use the magic words, print, and enclose the variable names in brackets, and watch as the program echoes the tales of num, deci, colour, and decision into the digital universe. Now we embark on the thrilling journey into the heart of Python's operations. No need to worry. You're not lost. You're right where the excitement begins. We are about to dive into three enchanting realms of operations, arithmetic, comparisons, and logical. Our first stop, arithmetic. Picture it as a magical dance of numbers. Adding is as simple as conjuring a plus sign, like 5 plus 3, where the result waltzes to the mesmerising number 8. Subtraction, a graceful act with the minus sign, 7 minus 2, setting the variable stage to the enchanting number 5. Now let's multiply the magic with an asterisk. Say 4 times 7, unfolding the spectacle of 28. And behold, division gracefully steps in with a forward slash, 5 divided by 2, unveiling the answer, 2.5. Hold on tight, for our journey takes a fascinating turn into the realm of complexity. Floor division, a dance akin to normal division with a twist. It delivers an integer result. 5//2, and behold, the answer emerges as 2. Floor division sweeps away decimal intricacies, focusing on the number before the decimal point. But our venture doesn't end there. The stage lights up with the modulus, a mystical way of revealing the remainder. Consider 12 modulus 5 and witness the magic of 2, denoted by the elusive percentage symbol. And last, but certainly not least, the grand finale. Exponentiation, where 2 asterisks signify the elegant dance of powers. Visualise 7 ***2, crafting the enchanting story of 7 multiplied by 7, unfurling into the mystical number 49. Fantastic, we are on a roll. Let's dive into the captivating realm of comparison operations. Brace yourself, because these comparisons are the gatekeepers to a world of Boolean wonders, where every outcome is either a triumphant true or a courageous false. Meet the first contender, equals equals. This is the equivalence mitro, declaring true if both sides harmonise. For instance, 7 == 7 is a resounding true, but throw in a twist like 6 == 7 and the curtains fall on a dramatic false. Now behold the flip side, not equals, announced with the dramatic flair of an exclamation mark. It unveils its true colours when the sides differ. Picture this, 7 != 7 bows out with a false, yet the enchanting 6 != 7 takes centre stage with a victorious true. The arena expands to the grandeur of greater than and less than. True unfolds when the left outshines the right, while the reverse casts its spell as false. Elevate the drama with greater than or equal to, where the result is also true if the values are equal. Hold your breath for now. The spotlight shifts to the mystical trio of logical operations, and, or, and not, and orchestrates a symphony of true only when both sides sing in unison, yet plunges into the silence of false if one falters. Or, the inclusion maestro welcomes true with both open arms if either side declares it, but turns its back on the false duet. Lastly, not, the great transformer, flips true to false and false to true with majestic flourish. Believe it or not, we are almost at the finale of our inaugural video adventure. A heartfelt thanks for joining us on this thrilling ride. We are reaching the crescendo with a grand finale, string manipulation. Now we are about to delve into something that may seem basic, but trust me, they are the building blocks of mastering the art of string manipulation. And hey, if you're hungry for more, I've got a whole video dedicated to unleashing the full potential of strings, so don't miss it. In our lineup is concatenation. Picture it as a magic glue that effortlessly binds strings together. Now, saying can be a tongue twister, but fear not, it's simply attaching strings using either a plus or a comma. And here's the insider tip. For most occasions, the comma takes the spotlight for its ease. But let's not forget the plus. Imagine having 2 strings, hello and weld. To unite them, we'll play matchmaker with the variables, adding a plus between them. Voila! Run the program and you'll witness the strings in harmonious embrace. But here's the plot twist. Notice the absence of space. Enter the comma, the unsung hero of string attachment. It not only makes life easier, but also handles data types like a pro, automatically converting them into strings. For instance, a simple print statement with a comma between string 1 and 5 will bring the delightful output, hello 5. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Why use commas instead of plus? Well, most of the time, commas are your go-to, making things smoother, but spoiler alert, you'll need to master the art of plus for the trickier parts of programming. And with that, we've wrapped up our string manipulation adventure for today. But before you go, let's put your newfound knowledge to the test with some questions. What function outputs text? What is a string, integer and float? What data type is true and false? How is a variable created? What would be the result of 7 $5? What would return from false or true? What would be the return from 7 != 5? And finally, what would be the result of print hello plus weld? Don't forget to check the pinned comment for the answer and tell me how you fared in this Python challenge. Next video, we are gearing up to conquer control structures. Get ready, practice up, and stay tuned for the next video to drop. All the coding magic we covered today is up on GitHub. Find the link in the description and explore the realm of Python possibilities. If you enjoyed the journey, show some love by liking this video and drop your suggestions in the comments. Your feedback really helps me and makes this community thrive. Subscribe, hit that notification bell and support the channel and never miss a video. Thanks a million for sticking around and have a lovely rest of your day.